my latest video, I showed you how to get started. In this video, we will focus on how to make him talk. First thing first, select the audio option, and it will take you here. In this panel, you can type in your script of what you want your character to say, adjust the voice, tone, and so on. So if you click here, you'll get all these different options to play with. Select female, male, or any of your liking. Listen to the different audios and choose the one that suits you best. Once you've found the one that you like, it's time to start typing in the script. Once you're done, hit create, and it will give you a file that you can use for lip syncing. Listen to your audio, and if you like it, good. If not, recreate. You can use these sliders here to pitch the tone, speed, and other stuff to get the output you're targeting. Once you're satisfied, you can download the file or click here and then use for lip sync. That option will take you straight in here. And as you can see, I have already used this a couple of times. If you've seen my video that I created to target people like you, spoiler alert, this is where I made it. Anyways, so now go here and click select image. You can choose to either upload or select from history. And of course we will choose history since our pictures are already in here from the image generations. Now we have our picture, we have our audio file, so now we can direct what he will do, how he will act, and so on. Now we have instructed him on what to do and how to act. Let's generate. Out video is ready. Let's see how it turned out.
Yeah, so I just started this podcast and it was simply just to let you know how you can do it too.
That was so smooth. Let's do another one just to see how it will look this time. Exciting, isn't it? Here it is. Let's have a look.
Yeah, so I just started this podcast and it was simply just to let you know how you can do it too.
This tool is insane, bro. Perfect outcome every single time. Let's try this image with this prompt.
Yeah, so I just started this podcast and it was simply just to let you know how you can do it too.
Even now, it's just, wow. Well, now you know how to lip sync your characters. If there's anything else you'd like to know, leave a comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and please leave a like. If you enjoyed the video, that would help me a lot. Thank you for watching.